Okay, so here's my video demonstration for the Enhanced Dice Roller app. Pull up the rubric. Alright, the first point, use a custom launcher icon, which you can see I've implemented right here. The second thing, include clock, roll, and overflow icons, which you can see at the top of the navigation bar right here. Next thing, hide clock and roll icons when rolling, which is demonstrated here. Next, show X when rolling. Clicking X abandons roll, and click and roll icons appear. Boom, and click that, reappears. Clicking clock presents context with short, medium, long. Seconds, I'll do a short. And then I'll just do a long, just to demonstrate that this is working. Okay. Then roll icon, shuffle dice. You've been seeing that this entire time. Okay, and then the options menu contains 1 through 5 in colors and about, so I'll go through that. You've already seen 1 here, 2 is right here, and I'll do a roll on each just to demonstrate that it's working. I'll switch to a short. Number 3, for this, we went over in class on how to get this into 3. You were helping me do that, but then for whatever reason, the fifth dice, I couldn't get it to roll, and I figured I just switched back to how I had it before because it wouldn't roll, and when I would do the long press on it, it wouldn't pop up anything, and it wouldn't I couldn't add one, or it would pop up stuff, but I couldn't add one or subtract one or anything. No functionality was working on it, so I figured that you said you would take off half points for this one right here if I had it like this, and I figured I would get more points off if all of the dices didn't work with the long press functionality, so I kept it this way. Then 4, we have all the dice rolling, and that's in a 2x2 pattern, which is the next one. We've got 5, all the dice are rolling. Then we have the color page. Go back, and then we have the about page. Okay, so for the colors page, 2 radio buttons are present and work properly. So switching between them toggles between the seek bars and the spinner. So that's working. The spinner shows red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta, which I have all these colors right here. The spinner text size increased to 26 XP, which I've done for the main display here, as well as the items in the drop down. The spinner updates the color swatch, which you can see working for all the colors. Then RGB seek bars present and work properly. That could be displayed here. A little purple, blue action. And they update the swatch, which you could see happening right there. Colors activity has the up parent button and returns to the main activity, which you could see working right there, and it also updates the colors. Next we have the long press functionality. Long press includes change sides options, which routes to new context menu with options for 4, 6, and 10 sides, which is right here. Clicking on it doesn't do anything. I didn't include any of the graphics, so I don't have those points, but we'll live with it. And then the about page includes B building banner image, which is up at the top, my own image, which is a little aerial view of the campus, my name, the date that I created it at, and a description of my choosing, and then includes the navigation to go back to the parent, which it does there. So I believe that is all.